Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V70 Max, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so first of all switch to the video one, this option on the left, tap on it, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings in the right upper corner, and now we have to find the video size, so let's tap on it. In this device we've got three different options, so FHD, which is currently applied, HD and SD. The frames per second are the same in all of those options. So all we have to do is to basically tap on the specific option. I'll choose SD, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution or video size whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.